And as you can see, a rally underway yet again. In fact, the Dow is trading above its all-time closing price right now. Not quite in intraday record territory yet, but it may well get there if this momentum holds. Let's bring in Alison Kosik now. She's at the New York Stock Exchange. And Alison, it's surprising to many, given the volatility we saw just a couple weeks ago, that we'd be back at these levels. What are you hearing?
Well, until I think you see a catalyst that turns the market in the other direction, I think you are going to see these gains for the market. And really, those two words, record high, are really but the two words that are being thrown around here on Wall Street, especially after the S&P 500 closed yesterday at its highest level ever. You know, this is the index that everybody's really watching, especially since it's up 215% since it hit a bottom during the recession. You know, it's put an incredible $12.6 trillion into the pockets of investors. It really is amazing when you see the run that this has had. But you wonder why this is happening. First of all, you look at what the market's recovered from. It's recovered from the crash in oil prices. Pretty much. It's recovered from the worries about China and the Brexit vote. You know, that sent stocks tumbling, but now even those losses are a distant memory. But here's the wrench that could be thrown into this rally. It's second quarter earnings season, as you know, kicking off this week. Results are expected to be weak. So that really, Maggie, could present a challenge for this record run. Maggie?
And I think the reason people you don't see the celebrations happening, because there is still an awful lot to worry about. The jobs number helping a little bit, though, hasn't it? We got a decent jobs number last week, and that seemed to lend some support, at least that the U.S. economy, the underlying economy, is doing okay.
Exactly. I mean, the jobs report is sort of the cherry on top, but the reality is earnings season, and already the expectations are low, and no one, as much as everybody sort of put the Brexit behind them, no one truly knows what the fallout's going to be with the Brexit. And as earnings season goes on, I'm talking about even third and fourth quarter earnings season, those on Wall Street are expecting to see the effects of that. So earnings season is sort of the reality check for the market. I think right now is sort of that halo effect before earnings season really kicks in, Maggie.
That's right, and we start to get all those details and questions from the CEOs about what the future holds. Alison, thank you so much. Alison.